Carmela. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a foundation chain, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. This video is dedicated to all the ladies from our crochet ministry who kindly and patiently taught me to crochet when I was 8. So thank you Barbara, Jean, Kathy, Pauline, Joan, Sharon, and Gladys. All we're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. It really doesn't matter what size you use, but the bigger it is, the bigger your stitching will be. So first step is to make a slip knot. This is the way I do it. I put the yarn over the needle and then grab both ends and twist the needle around. Then I take the ball end, pull it over the needle, hold this, and pull through. And tighten. If it's a real slip knot, it will pull out when you pull both of these. So here we go, one more time. Put the yarn around the needle, hold both ends, twist, and take this end over and through. Now that we have a slip knot, it's time to start a foundation chain. So the way I'm going to be holding the yarn is over these two fingers and behind this one. I'm going to hold it with these and then use these fingers to hold this. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over, and pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now I have 3 chains. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull through, I'm going to continue until the desired length. Now to start single crochet, I'm going to go into the second chain down from the hook, insert the hook into one loop. You can go into both, but I think one is easier. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through. Hold the work so that I have 2 on the hook. Now I'm going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that's a single crochet. Now I'm going to insert again to the top loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to continue that until the end. And don't forget the last stitch or your work will end up, the end will be on an angle. Okay, so I completed that row. Now I'm going to make a chain. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through. I'm going to turn the work. And now I'm going to go into both loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull through. Now with 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both. Now I'm going to continue that. So getting both loops, I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over both, and pull through. I'm going to continue that until the end. There we have 2 rows of single crochet. Now for a half double. I'm going to go into the second chain from the hook. I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook into 1 loop so that I have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Now I'm going to continue that. Yarn over, insert into the top loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Yarn over, it is important that you go into the same loop each time or you will get it twisted. So I'm going to go into the top loop. You can go into both, but I think one is easier. Okay, I'm now at the end. I'm going to make a chain. So yarn over, pull through, turn the work, yarn over. Now I'm going to go into the top 2. So that I have 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through those 2. With 3 on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Then continue that. And that is how you do half double. And now for double crochet. I'm going to go into the second stitch from the hook. First yarn over, then insert into the top loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, now yarn over and pull through the next 2. Yarn over, insert into the top loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through another 2. So I finished the first row of double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 2, yarn over, and insert the hook into the first stitch, both loops. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through another 2. I'm going to continue that. And there is double crochet. Here are a few of the projects that I hope to do videos on in the future. Let me know in the comments below if you have any project requests. Thank you for watching, and remember that God's love is unconditional and He loves you each day and forever.